Buying or selling your home can be one of the most exciting times of your life, but it can also feel a little daunting and stressful. Whether you're a first-time homeowner or a seasoned buyer, Hopkins Solicitors can help. We have local and convenient offices in Mansfield, Sutton-in-Ashfield and Nottingham. Our residential property team are here to advise, support and guide you through the legal transaction as smoothly and hassle-free as possible. We will work on your behalf to ensure that your best interests are at heart. When you buy or sell a house through Hopkins, our solicitors meet with you face-to-face to answer any questions you might have. We understand that for many people, having someone to guide you through the process without complicated legal jargon is a huge weight off your shoulders. We know that it's all about keeping costs as low as possible and making sure you know exactly what it will cost so you can budget for them. Your solicitor will walk you through our website's conveyancing fee calculator, which instantly tells you how much it will cost. We will then explain all of the fees involved, line by line, so you know exactly what you're paying for and aren't surprised with any unplanned hidden charges. Once you're happy to instruct us and you have signed your initial paperwork, we will create your new file and get to work straight away. When we've received the legal pack from the seller's solicitors, we request various property searches. Some searches we can access immediately, others we may wait weeks to receive. The searches will contain information relating to planning permissions, drainage issues, environmental issues and subsidence. Once we've considered all the title documents and the search results, we will then let you know any concerns we have and raise inquiries with the seller's solicitors. Your mortgage lender will send us a copy of your mortgage offer and we will check through this on your behalf. We may need to provide your lender with various information about the property and await their consent to proceed. Once we're satisfied with the response to our concerns from the seller's solicitor and your mortgage lender is also satisfied that their queries have been answered, we will invite you into the office to sign the contract documentation and discuss potential completion dates. Once all parties to the transaction are ready, we can exchange contracts and the purchase is now legally binding and neither party can pull out. And the official completion date is set. Your solicitor will then request your mortgage advance from your lender and will let you know what the balance is that we need from you in order to complete the transaction. On the day of completion, your solicitor will send over to the seller's solicitor the purchase monies. Once their solicitor has confirmed receipt of the monies, we will let you know you are now able to collect the keys from the estate agent or directly from the seller. Your solicitor will then pay your stamp duty and file the registration form of the property into your name with the land registry. So you can now sit back and relax in your new house. Welcome home. With Hopkins Solicitors, you're in safe hands.